Hey everybody, Phil Talon here. Glad to be back for our final lecture on film and cultural apologetics. Apologetics is, of course, a reactive discipline. Apologists respond to the questions, doubts, challenges, and longings of the world around them. The goal of the apologists is to help people see the truth, beauty, and goodness of the Christian faith in light of these issues. Cultural apologetics is concerned with establishing the Christian voice in the wider world of culture. We aim to listen well and to respond to the culture in order to help people see and feel Christian truth. Cultural apologetics can take many forms. It can be critical, evaluating and testing. It can be constructive, offering new avenues of understanding. It can be creative, generating and inspiring, enlightening. It can be all three at once. The world of the arts is a powerful force in the culture. The arts educate, challenge, and direct. Have served this central role in the wider culture for over 1,000 years. Now, Christian art has less control to the life of the culture. And so, to understand the world we live in, we must often